In this second module, we're going to look at setting the parameters for Operator4. The parameters are accessed through the File menu using the Options selection. Choosing this opens the System Control Form, which has a series of tabs, each tab setting parameters in a different area of the system. This first tab, General, contains the general options for the program, such as the days you want to schedule operated visits. If you didn't want to operate at the weekends, for example, you can deselect Saturday and Sunday as valid days for operation. There are a series of other options on this screen. They will be explained and set by the Operator4 installation team when the application was installed in your company. The second tab provides us with charging defaults. These are only defaults. They can be changed for each individual customer and indeed each machine that's located at each customer. But having the opportunity to set defaults means that if you use a generally uniform approach, it can be set here and it will become default each time you place a new machine. There is a very flexible charging system, allowing you to charge a percentage of meter cost, cash counter and product cost. Likewise, if your company operates a rebate system, you can at the same time set rebates based on meter, cash or product turnover. You also have 4 opportunities to set periodic charges. These can be over a flexible period, including weeks, 4 weeks, months, quarters and years. The third tab provides us with the locations for files. This includes where Word, if used with Operator4, stores the letters and faxes that are written using Operator4. This is also where the Sage 50 link is configured, the path to your Sage 50 data, and the version and serial number and license key used for Sage 50. The Invoicing tab allows you to set a great deal of flexibility about how invoicing occurs and what appears on the invoices generated by Operator4. Again, the Operator4 installation team would assist you with explaining what each of these options do and setting them for you as part of the installation process. The last 3 tabs contain lists that you can maintain during the life of the system. The first tab, Activities, controls the fault and servicing within Operator4. This is the core module, not the service module, which contains a great deal more flexibility. In the core module, you can set what sort of activities occur to machines. In this case, faults, refurbishment and servicing. We'll see more about faults and servicing in a further module. The User Library tab controls staff listed to work within Operator4. Let's pick a particular member of staff, Tracy. This is where we would come to set or change Tracy's password. This next column indicates if Tracy is a user of Operator4. If the box in this column is ticked, Tracy can log into Operator4 and use the program. A tick in the driver column indicates that she is a driver. In other words, she operates a van. If this box is ticked, she will be available for allocating to routes. And finally, the engineer column. A tick in this box indicates that Tracy is available as an engineer and can be allocated to fault or service calls. As you can see, any particular user can have more than one status. Finally, there is an opportunity to set up product groups. Product groups are used with the stock system to allow you to handle your stock in groups rather than having to deal with each stock item individually. All of these lists can be maintained during the life of the system. In further modules, we'll see how these appear in the different screens and are used to work the system.